How's it going, guys? You're watching Wake Up and Live. As promised, I have another video for you guys. And I actually have two more in the making, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all the support. Don't forget to check out Ski Prong and Aventure wetsuits. I'll leave links in my description below. But yeah, let's get to the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Okay, so after swimming out to the blue water and not having any luck, we returned back to the ledge and decided to dump the rest of our palu here. Luckily, this uku came right in. As you can see, I'm dropping extremely slow. I'm not trying to spook it, just trying to be calm. I know that if I don't spook it, it should hang around and give me a shot right there. And yeah, I got a solid holding shot on it. Super stoked. Uku is, one of the top eating fish. I'm already thinking that I'm gonna make sashimi or poke or sushi. But yeah, first fish of the day. Okay, so now we're in the reef. This is down at 65 feet. I saw this knife jaw from the surface, so did my breathe up, and yeah, I'm taking my drop right now. The funny story with this knife jaw is I've attempted to shoot this thing with a tree prong at least over 4 dives, and every single time I've seen it in the hole, I've never had an opportunity to shoot it. It always just dug out very quickly. So I figure I'm gonna just drop down with my gun. It's been a while since I ate knife jaw. So right here, just gonna slowly creep over to the hole. And unfortunately it's dark, so you can't really see it, but it's right there in the back of the hole. And actually it was about to swim off, so I'm gonna take a shot right there. And actually I ended up stoning it, but yeah, my line got stuck, so I'm gonna have to do another drop to retrieve it. So right here, after breathing up, I just dropped down. Luckily, like I said, I stoned it, so it didn't get more tangled or it wasn't hard to pull out. I could just pull it out nice and easy. And yeah, solid knife jaw. Second fish of the day. Okay, so this is near the end of our dive. Actually, this is gonna be my last drop of the day. My partner just shot a nice moo, and we noticed uku cruising, so yeah, got to the bottom and he came right in. Got a solid shot on him, and yeah, my second uku of the day. I was stoked. Choke meat, good eating fish. Couldn't be any happier with this dive. Okay, so time for the cleaning part. I like to rinse off the fish slime before I start. I think I'm gonna actually clean the two ukus different ways. So this one I didn't scale at all. I'm just gonna straight cut in and take the fillets off. But yeah, once you learn how to fillet one fish, I feel like you can do them all. They're pretty similar. Just do your cuts around, follow the bone in, cut through the pin bones, and yeah, you got a nice fillet. After that, you just gotta skin it, take out the bloodline, take out the pin bones, and yeah, you have some nice fillets. And as always, guys, proper care for your meat. I always like to wrap them straight in paper towels. And for each day that I keep it, I constantly change out the paper towels. And you can hold fish for quite a long time doing this. So here comes the cooking part. Well, parentheses cooking. Time to make the sushi. And I am by no means an expert. This is only like my second time making sushi. So anyway, yeah, cook the rice. Gonna add the rice vinegar right there, sushi seasoning. Just follow the directions on the bottle. After this, just gonna mix it up. And you're not trying to smash the rice, so you use kind of like a chopping motion like that. You stir it around. Once you get it all mixed up well, then you're ready for the next step. Okay, so now I'm gonna just cut up the other ingredients. I have cucumber, imitation crab. Normally I like to have avocado, but yeah, all of the avocados that I found were not ripe yet. So anyway, I just gotta prep all the ingredients right now. time to assemble the sushi. You're just gonna evenly spread the rice across the nori. I like to leave just a little strip on the top without rice, just so I can seal it well. I'm sure this is easier if you just wet your hands and use your hands, but yeah, just using a rice scooper. So anyway, yeah, just gonna put your ingredients, whatever you want. Imitation crab, cucumber, a strip of fish, some kamaboko, and yeah, just start rolling, wet it so it seals well, and yeah, got a nice roll. And like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. As long as it tastes good, I'm really not picky. I was just super happy that I could make sushi. And from this point on, I was eating sushi quite regularly anytime I got fish. So now I'm gonna just put some sriracha mayo, some unagi sauce, and some tobiko eggs. Adds a nice little crunch to it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up some sashimi real quick. As most of you guys know, uku is definitely one of the better sashimi fish. For me, it's probably in my top 5. But yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what's your favorite fish for sashimi, or what's your favorite way to eat uku. Here's the final spread, all this sushi and sashimi. But yeah, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe, die safe. Aloha, guys.